adults here that are helping you learn every day?
The adults that are helping me are Miss Curl and Miss Richardson.
And what's their job? Thank you. Shout out. And what's their job?
Teachers?
Teachers. What did he say? Teachers, yes. We found an individual to represent the excellence of your school, the state, and the entire country. The Milken Educator Award goes to Shana Engel.
At the end of the day, we all deserve this award, in my opinion, just because we spend countless hours at school and we love our students and we strive to help them become better people. It's beyond just teaching students lessons, it's teaching them how to be functioning humans in life.
Every Milken Educator alumni I've spoken with always says that it's even more fun to be an alumni watching someone else receive the award. It's incredible when it's you, but when it's someone else, it's a really powerful experience that I think energizes and reignites passion for educators.
All of the students here who see you are the beneficiaries of your work, and thank you so much for your work as an educator.
Far into the future, maybe some of you in this room will decide to be a teacher or a principal so you can make a great difference on everyone around you.